the workplace, you never know when an accident might happen. That's why we must always be careful. In this video, a worker is pushing a hand truck between two large loaded shelves in a logistics warehouse when one of the shelves suddenly collapses. The worker immediately panics and tries to escape by crawling through the gap beneath the other shelf. A short time later, that shelf also collapses. To avoid such accidents, you must not overload the shelves beyond their capacity. In this video, as a construction worker tries to demolish the last remaining section of a wall with a sledgehammer, a piece of falling concrete strikes the scaffolding and causes the worker to fall. Fortunately, there are no serious injuries. One of the workers on the roof was carrying sacks that were too heavy for him to handle when the floor suddenly collapsed. This was caused by the load exerting too much pressure on the floor. In this video, two workers at an industrial facility are trying to tighten the valve on a large pipe. When another worker approaches them asking for help, one of the workers trips while trying to rush over and falls into the void. The edges of such voids should be enclosed with metal guardrails. The worker in the image is working very close to a large rotating mechanism that separates materials. He is not wearing any protective gear, and there is no protective barrier around the mechanism. This situation leads to an irreversible accident in a matter of seconds. Extra caution must be exercised when working in large facilities because the risks are greater. Even a small lapse in attention can result in serious injuries. Safety regulations must be strictly followed around hazardous machinery, and work areas must be continuously monitored. Therefore, workers must always use the proper equipment, avoid getting too close to the machinery's operational area, and ensure systems are in place to immediately stop the machinery. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more accident analysis videos like this.